Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a ride on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and schedule a ride for tomorrow morning. Maybe you need to get picked up early, so you want to make sure it's on time. How do you actually go about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Uber app. Then on the top right hand corner, click on later. And then this is where you're going to go ahead and enter an address as far as the pickup location goes. Right now we have it blurred out. And then you can set here the pickup time. So if let's say that we need to go ahead to White Castle, you can set the pickup time to be a certain date and at a certain time. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a ride on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.